made this shirt. What's your camera you want?
Belly, you got your shoes on? Do you have your shoes on? No. Well, don't lie to me then. Go to your bedroom.
No. Come on.
Go to your bedroom.
Go get your shoes on so we can go grab some lunch. So I can go spend the rest of the day 13 hours on a plane.
Bless your heart.
Hurling yourself through space.
She may want you to get your sandals, Isabel. Get your sandals, they're in the bedroom.
Yeah, but this time I'll like it.
Look at Sam watching you, Leah.
Boy, it's so pretty up here.
Sammy. Hey.
It's pretty.
What are you doing, boy?
Cheese.
Hey, boy.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Hey, Belly. What are you doing, girl?
Go look at the Sharpie shirts.
Connecting letters.
Connecting letters.
Did you get one?
Uh-huh.
Head in the shark.
Stand right by the shark. Stand right there. Say hi, shark. Turn around. Stand right there.
He don't want to.
Alright, now pet him. Pet the shark. Hi, Sharky. You'll have to catch him. It goes kind of fast.
No, because I tagged.
Oh, you want me to catch him?
Alright, hold on. I'll get it.
Oh, wait.
Wait for Mama.
I froze your mate.
Alright, I'll hold your hand.
I know breathing.
Go, Billy, go!
Woohoo!
Show Daddy how you climb up there, Isabel. Isabel. Isabel, show Daddy how you climb up.
I'm playing freestyle, so I'm supposed to be frozen.
Oh, you're frozen. Okay. Careful, baby. Sam wants to go swing.
Hey, Belly.
Sam wants to go swing.
I want to go swing. I know you're going to
Hi there. Good. How are y'all?
You don't want to swing?
You
Hey, Belly.
Swing?
I'm now going to slide. Race. I'm on race.
Sam wants to go swing.
Here's race. I'm on race.
Okay.
What's that? Daddy, can you? Daddy, can you spin me up on the swing?
Yep.
Mommy, spin me.
Yeah. Spin you or just swing you?
Spin me as high up to that bar.
Let's watch her push Sammy. That'll be funny.
Oh, let's not watch her push that.
Yeah, watch. Come here and look at the camera.
Your little face is blue.
This is really funny. Go ahead.
Here I go.
Go ahead.
You give me a high five? Give me a high five. Hiya. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Don't get your shoes all dirty. Don't dig your shoes in. Are you did?
Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Okay. Yep. Go ahead.
Come here, Sam. Come here, you gotta go up the steps. Belly, you can go up that, but Sam's gotta go up the steps.